Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't seen any of my previous video and you don't know who I am, my name is Nivya and I make videos on beauty, skincare, hair care and all of that. In case you're interested to watch such content, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a video. So today we're going to talk about the much viral product which we all have seen on the internet. It was viral all over, like it was there on Instagram, it was there on Facebook, people are posting stories about it. So I just wanted to get my hands on it and quickly see what's the hype about and even if it is worth the whole hype. So that's when I got my hands on the Prolixer. So let me just show you quickly the outer packaging and then we're going to move on to the results and the ingredients and all of that. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. This is the outermost packaging. Once you open it, that's where your mask is. It comes with a little leaflet like that which has got all the information about the product. You can go through it, and honestly I don't really understand the point of this outer packaging because I think this was enough. Slightly wastage, but that's about it. Moving on to the outer packaging, this is how the outer packaging looks like, if you can see closely. Before I start the review, I really want to put it out there that guys, this is not a sponsored video. I have bought this product from my own money and this is not sent to me in PR. So with that note, let's just start with the product review. So that's how the outer packaging looks like. Before we move further, let me just tell you what the product actually claims. So it says it deeply hydrates, detoxify and brighten your skin, protect against pollution, which is amazing, tighten pores and boost radiance. How amazing is that? So I'm all about these things which the product actually claims. Also, I want to put it out there that this brand says that the product has not been tested on animals, which I highly appreciate. Any brand which says that the product is not tested on animals, I'm all about them. I really support them and I really appreciate that. Moving on, I want to tell you how to use this. It's very simple. Spread the mask evenly on your skin, sit back, relax for 10 minutes, remove the clay mask with a warm towel, use moisturizer on top of it, proceed to a mirror to admire your glowing skin. So yeah, that's about it. And also I want to tell you some major key ingredients which are there inside it. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, activated charcoal and green tea. How amazing is that? Because all of these ingredients actually collectively helps to remove gunk from your skin, clears out your skin, makes your skin surface very even, and also helps to control acne and acne marks. So anything which does so much, I'm all about it. And let me tell you how much it retails for. It retails for 999 rupees, which in my point of view I feel is slightly a little too much. Not too much, but a slightly on a higher side. Because if in case we see other clay masks, they are somewhere close to 700, 800. So this is exactly 1000 rupees, which I actually think is slightly expensive. It comes in a glass jar like that. I love how the packaging is. The only thing is that it is slightly heavy. So traveling, I don't really like when I'm traveling to carry a little heavy products because that just adds a little more weight to your traveling, which we definitely want to avoid. But having said that, I don't really mind the packaging because it's not in a plastic container, which I really appreciate. But if it's not a plastic, then the next option is a glass, and the glass needs to be thick. That's the reason the packaging becomes a little heavy. Even if it is a glass packaging, it is not like if you drop it by mistake it's going to be into pieces. The glass is quite thick, so even if you drop it, which happened with me once, and I was like little heart sink, and I thought that it's just everywhere now, but nothing really happened, not even like a slight crack, nothing happened. And it actually fell from quite a height, but nothing really happened. So yeah, that's about it. Moving on, it comes with a little protective lid on top of it, and if you open it, first of all, the first thing you notice the moment you open is the color, which is super cute, and the way it smells. Oh my god, the fragrance of this face mask is divine. A lot of times when I wake up in the morning and I'm feeling a little low, my skin is not feeling good, and I want a little uplifting kind of a feeling on my skin, and also just want to smell some good product, this is what I reach out to, because it smells just amazing. And it also reminds me to one of my perfumes, which is the Versace Bright Crystal. The fragrance is strangely pretty close to that, and that's one of my favorite fragrance. So yeah, I love the way this product smells. Let me bring you close and show you the texture inside. So before we move further with the final review and how it actually worked from my skin and whether it is worth that much money, I would say let's just check out the application and the removal, and I'm going to show you everything right here so that you can see it for yourself, how my skin actually looks after applying it and how it was looking before applying it. So yeah, let's just get started. So before you start applying the mask, make sure that you have cleansed your face properly. There's no makeup, there's no moisturizer, there's no product whatsoever. So I've already cleansed my face. I've washed my face with a mild face wash before going in with this face mask. It smells so amazing, so refreshing. Trust me, this is one of the masks which, when I have a dull morning and I really want to kickstart my day nice and I want to apply some face mask, this is what I reach out to because of the fragrance. That's one of the reasons, I would say. Some of you might not like the fragrance, but honestly it's a very mild and a very soothing kind of fragrance. Make sure when you apply any face mask, your motion of your brush should be towards upward, not downward, because you want to lift your skin, and that's how you're supposed to apply any sort of face mask. Also, one thing which I really like about this mask is that it is not at all difficult to apply it. The formula is not runny, the formula is not too thick. It's somewhere in between perfectly, so it's very easy to apply and it glides on very smoothly on your skin. Also, I really like this brush which comes along with this. It really helps to apply this face mask very evenly all over your face. So it's very thoughtful of them to actually give a brush along with this face mask. I really like when brands actually turn out to be so thoughtful and provide a little extra things and a little extra, you know, care towards their product. Of course, they could definitely sell it just the mask, but they made sure that they give a tiny brush that makes no much huge difference, but yeah, the tiny little things, as I said, makes a lot of difference. It said that you're supposed to leave it for 10 minutes, but I just left it for additional 5 minutes because I could still see a lot of wet patches all around my cheek. So I'm not going to talk much. I'm just quickly going to remove right in front of you so that you see the after effect of the mask right here. It's really comfortable. I'm not feeling really uncomfortable or stretchy or something. But yeah, I should stop talking. I'm just going to take a wet towel, place it over. This is how my skin looks right after removing it. It actually feels so refreshing. There's no excess oil on my skin. I'm sure you can see a little bit of redness here, but that's with every face pack I apply, just because my skin is slightly sensitive. But apart from that, if you see, my skin looks really smooth, really clean, and it felt like all the gunk has been just pulled out of my skin, and all that excess oil which I could see especially on my T-zone is no more visible, which I love about this face pack. and now let's move on to the final review, whether it's worth your money or not. So before I started using it, I was actually facing a lot of dullness on my skin, and I was actually looking for a product which could help me, you know, brighten up my skin and also remove the excess oil, because of the monsoon and I have oily skin. I was having like excess secretion of oil on my T-zone, which I still do get, but this is what I was looking for, and this is what my skin conditions were when I started using it. And it's been almost I think a month and a half I've been started using this, and I've been regular with this. Let me tell you, I was not like applied for like a week and then completely forgot about it, because I knew that I had to review it, and a lot of you asked for the review of this mask. I was actually being very regular with this face mask. I have to say, when I started using this mask and when I used it for the first time, I didn't really see a lot of difference or like a magical difference on my face, which I completely understand. There's no product on this planet which will just, you know, do its job in just one go and you're good to go. I understand every product needs its own time, and you have to be regular in order to see a proper result to it. So I was using this twice a week, and as I was being regular with this, I could see a lot of difference on my skin texture. My skin started becoming better. My acne was under control. I was really having like a lot of breakouts, especially on this area and around my mouth. It can be due to the weather, it can be due to nowadays we all are wearing masks, so your skin becomes extra sensitive and gets irritated. So maybe because of that, but trust me, it was under control. My acne marks were also, I would say, kind of blurring out, and the texture on my skin was also turning way better and smoother, which I really love. Also, I want to tell you that I am an extremely oily skin in the monsoon time. My T-zone is just always like crazy. I mean, it's hard to handle the amount of oil my skin can secrete. So with this mask, I could literally see that it makes my oil balanced on my skin without making it look dried or, you know, irritated. Sometimes I see a lot of products are so harsh that they remove excessive oil from your face and kind of irritates your skin even more, because that's not the way how any product is supposed to work. But with this one, I was so happy that it only removes the amount of oil which I really feel that should not be there, which is on the outer layer of my skin, and leaves my skin actually hydrated. Now moving on to my acne part, I still get a little bit of breakout here and there. As you might can see, there is still one more over here. It just got a little better, but it helps to control. It also helps to dry out your active acne and blur out your acne marks. And lastly, it actually helps to make your skin clean and clear and pulls out all that gunk and makes your skin feel so refreshed and brightened. I personally really like this mask. From my end, I would give it a thumbs up and I would repurchase it. The only thing I feel is that it is slightly expensive, but I don't mind because it does what it claims. So I'm happy about it, and don't forget to leave in your comments in case you have any questions and any doubts about the product. Don't forget to comment down below and I would definitely get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, please take care, stay safe and stay home.